Hey guys, this is a continuation to the previous vlog that I've shot, but now I'm going to ride the Interceptor. So I'm heading to Suchitra. Yashwant is already waiting there. I am late because the battery of this mic just decided not to work, so I had to change the battery, so it got delayed by 10 minutes. Also wasn't able to shoot anything because I did not go out anywhere and could not make any vlog. It's been so long that I've used my GoPro. For a second I forgot how to connect and how to vlog basically. It's 5:10 p.m. right now. We are heading to Shamirpet because it's a sudden plan. We had a plan to go somewhere on the Nagpur highway in the morning, but Yashwant had some work. Oh man, the sun hitting right in my face. I'm here at Suchitra. I need to see where Yashwant is. I think he must be waiting there near the bus stop. Chalo. Where is oh, he's right there.
DB killer తీసినా ఇప్పుడే DB killer తీసినా
DB killer తీసినావా? ఇప్పుడు తీసినావా?
ఇప్పుడు తీసినా. DB killer తోటి వీడియో ఉంటుందా?
గట్టిగా వస్తుందా? పట్టుకో. ఈ సైడ్ స్టాండ్ బెండ్ అయింది కొంచెం. మా ఫ్రెండ్ గారు కూడా వెయిట్ చేస్తాను కొంపల్లిలో. పట్టుకో. సైడ్ స్టాండ్ బెండ్ అయింది, పట్టుకో. Okay, this is the Interceptor. There's Yashwant on my bike. Oh god. Oh man. This is fun. Oh boy. Oh man, the pickup sounds beautiful. Yashwant said he just removed the DB killers and it's sounding loud. Bro, the pickup is amazing. Well, from a 200cc to 650, what do you expect? It's 120 like it's nothing. Boy, one fun bike to ride on the highways, man. The exhaust. Let me check the brakes and other thing. For the one thing is pickup, man. Just look at this. I don't know which gear I'm in, but wait. Just look at this pickup. It pulls you back. Whoa. Let's look at the braking. It's on the softer side, not punchy. The rear brakes aren't punchy. Good. What about the front? Oh, it dives. It dives, man. Just look at this. It dives. Gear shift is smooth. Also, I expected a bit of vibrations, but no, I don't notice any vibrations. That's a very good thing. Coming to maneuverability, perfect, good for the streets, and your position. You're a bit inclined, not sitting upright, just a bit upright. Your arms are in a relaxed position. This is what I feel like the first ride impression. This is the first time I'm riding this bike, but the two things that I like are the pickup and the exhaust. The seating position is also good. Oh boy, let's just listen to this. Nice and comfy. Okay, another friend is waiting here, Sahas. You might have seen him in the hackathon vlog. Even he is coming with us. He's waiting somewhere here. I'm not sure exactly where though. Yep, there he is. Oh boy. It's so crazy, dude. Man. The way this is pulling. Control, Varun, control. This is a beast. Oof. Okay, let's not do that again. The seat is soft. It's good. You can do long rides on this. You can tour on this easily. I feel like I can just drive this. I mean, I can just ride this for 150 or 200 kilometers straight with no strain. That's how I feel. Feels like the speedometer is way over there somewhere. I mean, we are sitting way behind. Of course, this is a cafe racer. It's going to be like that. Also, I'm reviewing this bike. Coming from a 200cc, I'm reviewing a 650cc bike. Let's ask Yashwant, who drives this 650cc beast, how he felt while riding my 200cc Apache. That's going to be a fun thing to shoot as well. Let's just ask him when we stop somewhere. We'll just do a quick run here. Ah, nice brakes, nice brakes. Oof, 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 oof. अरे अन पे साहस तेलुगु रावడానికి ये यशवंत है इनकी हिंदी इसको हिंदी नहीं आता अरे ఏం పికప్ రా నాయన సరే ఇగో దేంది నేను మాట్లాడేసిన ఇట్లా ఈ బైక్ నడిపి ఎట్లా అనిపించింది చెప్పు ఒకసారి
అంటే కంపేర్ చేసుకుంటే ఇది యాక్టివా లాగా అనిపించింది లైట్ వెయిట్ నిజంగా చెప్తున్నా
అది కొంచెం హెవీ ఉంది
నడిపినప్పుడు లైట్ అయిపోయింది
దీని పికప్ ఏమైంది అసలు గుంజుతలేదు అనుకున్నా ముంగట పోతలే ఈజీగా వంగుతుంది కదా
పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ లైక్ స్మూత్ అనిపించింది
స్మూత్ ఉంటుంది గేర్ షిఫ్ట్ స్మూత్ ఉంది కదా జస్ట్ లిసన్ టు దిస్ ఎగ్జాస్ట్ is what it sounds like. అరే కొన్ని వీడియోస్ హీరో అట్లా గుయ్యి గుయ్యి అని వస్తా. वरुण राव बोल के रहता
फोटो ना हाँ ठीक है
ले लो.
मेरे चैनल है इंडियन ऑटो इन्फॉर्मेशन.
इंडियन
इंडियन ऑटो इन्फॉर्मेशन.
अच्छा ठीक है.
रुपीस 200
हाँ 200.
हाँ
चैनल पे
वरुण राव बोल के रहता.
मेरा भी इंडियन ऑटो इन्फॉर्मेशन.
हाँ
कैन आई टेक इट?
yeah sure thank this I wanted to take some pictures of the bike sir.
का इंस्टाग्राम है.
हाँ
एक बार फोटो ले लेते हैं टैग करते हैं.
हाँ तो ले लो
हेलमेट निकाल.
ऐसे ही ले लो. थैंक यू.
इंस्टाग्राम
I_Varun Rao.
बेटर आईडी पर आप निकाल.
Okay now let's go. थोड़ा लेट हो गया कोई नहीं. Okay the battery is low. I'll go to Shamirpet and record there directly. I have another battery. I'll replace it in Shamirpet. It's 7 p.m. right now. We came here, we sat here, we just chilled for some time, we just talked. Now we're heading back home. I did not vlog too much because we were just talking, nothing too fancy. It was a fun day, just a chill weekend. There he goes. Well, that was my first ride impressions of the Interceptor 650. Not like a review or something, but just thing like how I felt riding it for the first time. Okay, I think I'll just end the vlog right here because it's become too lengthy and there's nothing interesting. I'll just go home directly. Oh, I see a bit of traffic, I don't know why. So if you like this vlog, if you want me to do more of such videos, please let me know in the comment section. And support me by liking the video. What it does is it will recommend this video to others and increase the engagement. So please like, please share the video, comment down below, and yeah, thanks for watching. This is Varun. I'll see you in the next vlog.